Hello everyone, it's Alex with SDKey. Today I'm going to show you how to quick start your loader using our C++ example. First, what you're going to want to do is you are going to want to head over to GitHub. In any browser tab, head over to this repository, github.com/sdkeydev/sdkey-cpp. After that, what you're going to want to do is click on this, download zip. Then I'll download it to whatever your default downloads folder is. Open it in a file, open it, and then extract it all to your desktop. Great. Now that we have it here, we're going to go in here, click on MSVC. I'm using Visual Studio 2022. I know Visual Studio 2026 is out as of making this video. I have yet to upgrade, so I'm sticking on 2022. We're going to open it, trust the repository, switch it to our release configuration, and then we're going to build this first. Now this build will take a little bit, but after you will only need to do this once. After that, we're going to unload the project and only start building the basic. So wait for this to build, which should be not too long, and we're going to unload the project. Head over here to our basic.cpp. This is a minimal usage example, but everything should already be done. The base URL is right, unless you have a custom domain. We're going to head over to our apps. Should be on this side. Create a new app. Just name it test app. Create. Take these. Copy the app ID. Paste it in here. Or you can set it as an environment variable. But for the purpose of this video, we're just going to set it hard code it. We're going to copy our public key, paste it in this little empty spot, save it. Now we're also not going to pull this from an environment variable. So what we're going to do is we're going to edit this a little bit. We are going to just delete this, bring it down here, delete the constant. We're going to do some sort of cout. Enter your license key. And then we're going to run a cin on the license key. So with that, we're going to attach debugger to it, run it, drag it over here. As you can see, it's ready for our license key. Head back over here, click on licenses. Just for this, we're going to generate one. Duration, we're going to set it to a one-time use key, so it's going to be 1 second. Subscription tier is going to say 0. We're going to generate a custom key of test X, which as you see here is test F. Copy it, done. And it appears now at the bottom of our dashboard right here. Now we're just going to paste in here, test F, hit enter. It's going to authenticate with our server, come back, says, okay, success, true. The code it gave was okay. The message that you chose is validated. It says the subscription tier, which in this case is 0. And it is an active license. However, it expires in 1 second from now. So we're going to restart the program. And you're going to see now that whenever we try and paste our license again, because it was only good for 1 second, it's now expired. Subscription tier 0, obviously. Now, whenever you use any client function, it will automatically initialize to grab a session and tell the server, hey, I'm here, I'm alive. Now, let's say you wanted to check if your version was invalid or the application was disabled before you called a validate function or a login function. What you could do is you could move this code right here inside of the try catch block. Like so. And then you could call init up here, still inside of the try catch block. That way it'll catch whenever it errors out, if say the app is disabled or something along those lines. And then we can head back here into our app settings. We can disable it. We can change the version. And so now whenever we run it, it will call init before it actually calls anything else, and you'll see application disabled. And if we re-enable the application and we change it to major patch 1, minor patch 0, patch 1, and we save our settings, we can come over here, run the same thing again, and you can see initialization will fail because the version outdated, and that's the server code. That is how to quick start your C++ example using SDKey in 10 minutes or less. Please feel free to join our Discord server on our website at sdkey.dev/discord. And my name is Alex. Thank you for joining us.